Hey guys, it's King and welcome back to another vlog. And for today's vlog, panibago to para sa akin. We're gonna be cooking sitaw. At makikita nyo yun maya-maya lamang. And ito, gumagawa ko ng intro ngayon dahil I forgot mag-intro kaninang umaga. Pero, ito na yung niluto ko. And if you want to see the result, just keep on watching. Hello, good morning guys. And sa mga oras na yan, naghihiwa ako ng garlic. Mga 3 garlic ata yan. At 2 onion. And then after that, ayan na yung mga nahiwa ko. And then, open the gas stove, tama ba, gas stove, and preheat in the mid-heat. And then, put oil in it. And, toing. Konti lang yung oil dahil maglalagay tayo ng mamaya. And put the garlic on it until it's golden brown. After that, guys, ano ba lalagay natin? After that, put the onion. Alag-alag pa. Then, mix it with the garlic and until it golden browns also. Halo pa, halo. Then, yan, mix pa. Sige, mix mo pa. Then after that, we will put the century tuna with normal oil ata lang. I don't know. Then after that, halo pa, halo. Hey, after that, tignan na video, nilagay ko na yung sitaw and halo ulit. Puro lang halo to, guys. Then, let's wait until mag-boil lang ng konti. Yan, halo-halo pa. Actually, puro halo yan. Takpan mo siya, then like. Yan, nilagyan ko ng konting water. Then, ayan, kumukulo na siya. Then, saral ulit natin. And, sorry guys, kinamay ko naman yung kamay ko. And, yan, lagyan mo, yan, after that, yan yung recipe na bawal dahil hindi sponsored. Charing, yan, halo-halo ulit. Ano ba after nyan? After nyan, guys, nilagyan ko ng sugar dahil hindi ko na na-vlog kanina. Nilagyan ko yan ng sugar kasi I want to be sweet. Joke. After that, ayun na yung last part, which is the oyster sauce. After that one, guys, minix ko lang siya ulit para ma-absorb ng veggie yung oyster sauce. And then ano ba after niyan? Yan, kumukulo na. Tinakpan ko lang for a minute. And yeah, it's done. Yeah, guys. I hope you like it. And here's the final product, the sweetened sitaw ala King. And that is for today's vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoy what I did, which is cooking. I cook adobong sitaw, my favorite veggie at all time. And ginawa ko yun, guys, dahil tomorrow is Mother's Day. I want to serve my mother well, and nasarapan naman daw siya. Kahit medyo lasag ng gulay. Nasarapan siya. Ayun yung important na gustuhan niya at napakita natin yung presence natin sa kanya by cooking and serving her well. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy what I did. Give it a thumbs up and comment down below yung mga suggestion nyo kung ano pang vlog yung gagawin ko. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell for you to notify whenever I posted the video. And that's it for today's vlog, guys. I hope you enjoy. Bye bye.